Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a tiny project, index, HTML and script, JS. Open your editor and save both files in one folder. Once done, link script, JS from index, HTML using a basic script tag, then open the file in your browser. Use DevTools console to run quick tests with console. Log, this tells you what your code outputs. Make sure to run Node. JS if you want server-side testing, but for now, focus on the browser environment so you can see immediate results. You now write simple functions and experiment. Declare const greeting equals hi, then create function show, console, log greeting. Once comfortable, try arrow functions for concise callbacks and map /filter on arrays to transform data. Practice selecting elements with document. Query selector and updating inner text. This shows how code affects the page. Make sure to use let when you need to reassign values and keep naming consistent. By building tiny interactive examples, you see both behavior and error messages. You finish by testing and deploying a minimal app. Click buttons, change inputs, and watch console output. Once done, try a simple bundler like parcel or upload static files to GitHub pages to share your work. If something breaks, isolate the failing function and strip surrounding code until the bug disappears. This binary approach reveals the cause quickly. Make sure to read error messages carefully. They often point to line numbers and types, and if needed, revert to a minimal example to rebuild step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.